Here, catch that. Ooh.
He did not catch that.
He did not catch that. So how this is going to work, we're going to take these in to my wife. She is going to cook these up according to the instructions, and then we are going to get each one in turn in a blind taste test, and then we'll see which one comes out on top.
We'll also see who likes chili mac in general the most.
Oh, it's gonna be me.
All right.
I love chili mac.
So our categories for our scoring, are we ready?
We're ready.
Can you read that?
Yes, I wrote it, so I know what it says.
Fair enough.
Spice/seasoning, mac texture, meat texture, proportion of sauce to macaroni, rehydration, oil or fat content, and overall flavorfulness.
All right.
All right, Mr. Sous Chef, anything else we should add to that?
Oh no, I mean, cost would be a big thing.
That's true.
Fine, because I'd be willing to sacrifice $2-3 to eat something a little bit better, or I might be willing to sacrifice eating something good to save $2-3.
You should sacrifice something good to save $2-3.
Yeah, that's fair.
Just remember, if you're hungry enough,
You'll eat
Eat
it.
it.
All right, here we go. Number one.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cilantro.
It's got some heat.
Yeah, it's got a little kick to it. A lot of sauce content. Beans are a little tough. I don't think the beans are rehydrated perfectly.
There's a little bit of a wonky texture going on.
Yeah, I agree. The meat's kind of rubbery.
The taste is good though, you know.
Yeah.
Off with you, boy. All right, so this is number two.
Sauce is a little bit thicker.
Yeah. I see
I see a few.
I see a few beans. It looks a lot like number one. All right, number three.
This one has much less sauce.
Hardly any sauce to chili on that.
Yeah,
You
that
can
looks kind of dry.
you can see the individual beans and meat actually.
The mac ratio is high.
Yeah, there's a lot of mac in this. It's sweeter.
It is sweet. It's very sweet.
Which is very odd for a
little-
chili mac.
And the macaroni has a little bit of texturing on it. It's twisted or fluted.
Looks like a cavatappi. The texture on the beans is good. They're a little mushy.
You could eat a bean or you could eat a piece of the mac or the piece of the meat and not really.
Yeah, it's all the same.
Look at it.
Oh, your sauce is very watery here.
I'm not seeing any beans either. The taste and texture aren't bad, but they're not what I would expect from a chili mac. If somebody was telling me that they were serving me a chili mac, I would expect the sauce to cling to everything a lot more.
This reminds me of Texan chili a little bit. You know, no beans,
No beans.
spice like Texan.
Plus just a little bit of heat.
Smoked paprika.
Smoked paprika, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I didn't get to score.
That's a
Well,
problem
hurry
for you.
I haven't had
I thought you had a girlfriend.
I do, yeah. You know, it's
Man,
not a
you
problem I
are
have
a
very
problem.
often.
Oh, it smells great. This absolutely is the homemade one.
Problem is, I can't eat all of this because we still have 2 more to go.
Oh, do we?
5's all the way down for me, thank you.
I'm going to give it just a little bit of a ding for proportion of sauce. I think it should have more
Yeah.
sauce.
Agreed.
Cold out here.
Yeah, and everybody's noses are running.
Yeah. You know, if you grew a handy mustache like this, you wouldn't have to worry about it so much because it just accumulates.
Aren't you the one who was earlier complaining about having to pull the snow out of your beard?
Well, that's because it hurt. This is number 6. Number 6. Meat's a little rubbery.
Yeah.
I think 1, 2, and 6 were the Mountain House meals because they're all basically the same. All right, we had a late entry. This one has wee bits of corn in it.
But no beef.
It's just bland.
No spice in that at all.
Things are sticking together that I don't feel should really be sticking together.
This is sort of at the other end of the spectrum from the one that was really watery.
Yeah.
Yeah. Though the one that was really watery might have just been dubious preparation practices.
You think we might have screwed up and added too much water?
We might have.
That one
Well,
might bear some experimentation. Some
I only have one
exper-
copy of that though. Anybody have a favorite right now?
Oh, I liked
Can we discount the homemade?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
have to discount the homemade.
Okay.
the soup. I liked the soup one. It had the best flavor and
Lowest calorie per serving though.
Not great for hikes.
You can just buy more.
yeah, you could supplement it with some Spam.
You think you could supplement everything with Spam?
Because Spam is good.
Okay.
Spam
So what
and
about?
ramen.
I'm ignoring the spam man over here. Do you have a favorite?
I also liked the Camp Chow. Well, what we are currently tentatively assuming is the Camp Chow.
The number 4.
The number 4.
All right, let's go get the whiteboard and see how we did.
I could have lived someplace nice, but I'm stuck here, eating chili mac in negative-degree weather.
Well, we were correct. Number 4 was Camp Chow, and that was the high score overall, even with the thin sauce. Interestingly, the Camp Chow scored evenly with the homemade. So that's the benchmark.
However, the Camp Chow here is the most expensive and does have the lowest calories per servings.
Mountain House is interesting to me because it should all be basically the same with minor variations, and they had slightly different scores and slightly different prices.
In a restaurant setting, a lot of that food is just loaded with sodium, and that's probably why we're seeing that spike in appreciation there, is because there's more salt content, so we're allowed to experience the flavor fully.
Best to worst in terms of overall score, we have the Camp Chow at 79, followed by the Pro Pack for Mountain House at 75. We have the Mountain House Adventure at 69, the Mountain House Classic at 66, the Trailtopia at 51, and the very disappointing 37 for Peak Refuel. Also, you note that we do not have a number 5 here. 5 was the homemade.
Mountain House is a safe bet. It's in most major retail chains for hiking.
You can get everything on here at REI except the Camp Chow. The Camp Chow you have to buy from the Camp Chow website. I'll pop a link to a spreadsheet in the description below.
And that way, if there were any math errors, somebody else can find it and tell us.
Yeah.
Don't encourage that.
Yes.
Yeah, peer review.
I don't know what pairs have to look at anything, let alone review them.
Peer review.
That's where your boats get tied up, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, watch those videos of the guys backing the boats out.
Listen, if ever you want to do a review of the piers in the Adirondacks, go nuts.
If you folks back home want to have a good weekend, get a sixer of some kind and go and sit by a boat launch.
It's like watching sports live because you never know what the hell's going to happen.